Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to convince your boss to get Teamgo's Visitor Management Software. In today's fast-paced work environment, keeping things safe, secure, and running smoothly is crucial. That's where Teamgo's Visitor Management Software comes in. It's your all-in-one solution for handling visitors, boosting compliance, and streamlining operations. But let's face it, getting your boss on board with new software can be tricky. Don't worry, we've got your back, and we're here to help you make a pitch that's impossible to resist. Check out our website for a draft email template you can send to your boss. To persuade your boss, focus on the tangible benefits of Teamgo: improved security and compliance, prevent unauthorized access and maintain health standards, efficiency gains, automated sign-ins and instant notifications reduce administrative burden, cost savings, unlimited users and kiosks, free apps, and cloud hosting offer great value for money. Anticipate and counter common objections with these points. We don't have the budget. Response: investing in Teamgo will save money in the long run by reducing administrative tasks and improving operational efficiency. Plus, with no hidden costs for additional users or kiosks, it's a cost-effective solution. We're happy with our current system. Response: while our current system may suffice, Teamgo offers enhanced features that provide better security, compliance, and efficiency. It's about staying ahead and ensuring our workplace is future-proof. It sounds complicated to implement. Response: Teamgo offers free setup assistance and 24/7 support, ensuring a smooth transition with minimal disruption. The user-friendly interface will make it easy for everyone to adapt. After discussing the idea with your boss, follow up with a face-to-face meeting to address any questions and provide additional information. Be prepared with data and examples that demonstrate the benefits of Teamgo in action. Remember, a free trial is available to showcase its effectiveness. With Teamgo, you're not just adopting new software, you're embracing a comprehensive solution that enhances every aspect of visitor management. Make sure to clearly outline the advantages and address potential concerns to effectively persuade your management to make a smart investment in the future of workplace safety and efficiency. Ready to upgrade your workplace? Start your free 14-day trial. No credit card needed, instant access. Thanks for watching.